Y'all excuse the way I look. I'm doing some errands, but I just wanted to come on here this morning and I just wanted to say some stuff. So yeah, I mean, I had a beautiful birthday yesterday. Yesterday was my birthday, and I spent time with my family, and it was awesome. So I had a great birthday. Y'all, excuse the way I look, for real. Excuse the way I look, for real. I'm out doing air. Look, the sun is all in my face. Let's adjust this a little bit. The sun all in my face, yes. But yesterday was my birthday. I had an amazing birthday. I had to take a little break. It's okay to take a little break from posting. But, you know, again, I have to learn to stay consistent because the algorithm is getting to know me. Y'all are getting to know me. So, but anyway, I hope your day is going well. So I came on here because I know most of you, or some of you, have already started, but most of you are thinking starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you've already started and you're finding yourself hitting walls you didn't even know existed. Okay, trust me, you are not alone. So in this video, I'm going to be diving into the struggle no one talks about when you're starting a YouTube channel. So yeah, let's get into it, because, you know, that's why I came on here this morning, because I want to talk about it. So let's start with the biggest struggle, which is the low views, okay? And the sun, y'all, the sun is beaming. But let's just start with, you know, the biggest struggle, which is the low views, okay? You spent hours, maybe days, planning, filming, editing, and finally hitting that upload button. Then you see nothing but no views, crickets, and you've been refreshing the page, which is something you're not supposed to do. You got to upload and leave it alone and engage with other creators. After you upload, leave it alone and engage with other creators, because it can feel personal, right? It can feel personal. Like, why isn't anyone watching? And the truth is, YouTube algorithm doesn't know us yet. It doesn't know you. It's trying to get to know you. It's trying to get to know what your content is about. So keep posting consistently. Learn that each video will get easier, and I know that's a lot easier said than it is done, but you got to trust the process. You got to trust the process, you got to upload, and you got to engage with other creators. And so that also brings me to struggle number 2, which is self-doubt. This one hits hard because we have those self-doubts. You start questioning everything. Am I interesting enough? Does my content matter? What if I'm wasting time? You're not wasting time. It's normal to feel like you're not cut out for this. But here's the thing. Every YouTuber you admire has been in your shoes, okay? The key is to keep reminding yourself why you started. And, you know, is it to help people? Share your passion, you know, build a business, you know, focus on that. Focus of what your why is and why you wanted this channel, but not the negative voice in your head at all. Don't focus on that. You know, not be motivated to do anything when you have those negative thoughts going on in your mind. Not a good thing. But let's talk about the technical stuff. Oh, the joy of figuring out cameras, lighting, and editing software. But I'm learning how to, you know, angle stuff. And these are just growing pains of learning a new skill. The good news is you get better with each video that you post. You get better along the way. You know, start with simple watch tutorials and upgrade as you go. You got this. You know, don't overthink it. And another struggle that no one really prepares you for is comparison. You look at other creators and you think, oh, why are they growing fast? You know, what am I doing wrong? You're not doing nothing wrong. You're not doing anything wrong. Everyone's journey is different. You don't know how long they've been working behind the scenes or what resources they may have. Stay focused on your path and celebrate your wins, no matter how small they are. Celebrate them. Celebrate those achievements, celebrate them. And now let's not forget the emotional the burnout, because you don't want to burn yourself out either. Posting consistently is great, but having a schedule is better because you do not want to burn yourself out. But set boundaries. Remember, quality over quantity, okay, y'all? You're allowed to take breaks like I did yesterday. It was my birthday. That was my break. I was spending time with my family. It's okay to re-strategize and focus on your well-being. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. And I should know because I'm coming from TikTok. Because TikTok is about to have a ban. And I'm sorry, somebody was calling me. TikTok is about to get banned. And I grew my followers. It's almost at 4,000 followers. And that took some time to do. YouTube is different. YouTube, you really got to focus on the content you post out. Because I want to give y'all some valuable information. I want to show y'all that I'm a normal person who is making this happen. And I am learning just like you're learning. And I get better as, I get better as I post. So you just got to keep posting and doing what you got to do and keep going. Don't give up on you. Do not give up on you, okay? But like I was saying, I'm coming from TikTok. Now I'm on YouTube and I'm learning. So YouTube is a marathon. It's not a sprint. So how do you navigate all these struggles? Quick tips that is working for me and that I'm learning to apply for myself. Set realistic expectations, you don't expect to go viral overnight, because that's not going to happen. And celebrate your small wins. Focus on improving every video. Compare yourself to your past self and not others, okay? Connect with other small content creators, because, we get it. We're building community. We all trying to help each other grow. We get it. And sharing, the different tips and tricks that we're doing can help somebody else. So engage with other small creators. And finally, remind yourself that every big YouTuber started exactly where you are right now. It's not easy, but it's worth it, okay? And starting a YouTube channel comes with challenges, but those struggles are what makes the journey so rewarding, okay? Because when that hard work pay off, YouTube is showing off, okay? But yes, so keep going, keep posting those videos. Now, I love to hear from you. What's been your biggest struggle so far? Drop it in the comments. Let me know, and we can help, get over it and keep going. I got to finish my errands. I got to go. I got to get stuff done. But I stay consistent and I post it. Everyone have a beautiful day.